Class 12 board exams will not take place this year for CBSE and CISE students. The decision came after a meeting between high-profile ministers of the Narendra Modi government. The meeting was chaired by PM Modi and attended by the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar and Union Minister of Defence Rajnath Singh. Now, the CBSE and CISE will be releasing the criteria for assessment. The government said that it will be a well-defined objective method that will ensure timely result. Recently, CISE and CBSE schools were asked to submit data of Class 12 students' performance in classes 11, 10 and 9th. It is expected that the final Class 12 marks could be calculated on the basis of performance in the internals and past 3-year performance. A final decision, however, is awaited. The central government on Tuesday clarified that there will be no mixing of COVID-19 vaccine doses in India until enough scientific evidence on its effectiveness is gathered. It also clarified that there is no change in its SOP for vaccination and all beneficiaries will get 2 doses of Covishield and Covaxin. These clarifications come amid concerns triggered by some recent comments made by senior officials indicating that the government may consider doing away with the second dose of Covishield. Apart from this, head of the government appointed expert panel recently said India may begin testing to determine whether mixing 2 doses of different COVID-19 vaccines could boost immune response. The centre has issued a show-cause notice to former West Bengal Chief Secretary Alapan Bandyopadhyay, who skipped reporting in Delhi on Monday after being summoned by the centre. He was again issued a reminder and was asked to report on Tuesday morning. An FIR may be registered against Alapan Bandyopadhyay if he fails to reply the show-cause notice within 3 days. Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Monday refused to release Alapan Bandyopadhyay and shot a letter to Prime Minister Modi, calling the order shocking and unilateral. Later in the day, Alapan Bandyopadhyay resigned from his post of Chief Secretary and was appointed the Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister. A day later, the centre has issued a show-cause notice to him for abstaining from the Cyclone Yas review meeting chaired by PM Modi in Bengal, which Mamata Banerjee had also skipped and triggered a row with the centre. Former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis seems to be a goodwill mission these days. A day after meeting NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, the leader of opposition on Tuesday, called on Raver MP Raksha Khadse at her residence in Jalgaon. Raksha is the daughter-in-law of former BJP leader and Fadnavis's biggest political foe, Eknath Khadse. Fadnavis is on a tour to Jalgaon district to visit pre-monsoon rain-affected farmers. Eknath Khadse, however, was not in Jalgaon when Fadnavis visited his house. Jalgaon was once a bastion of the BJP, but the party's senior-most leader and former revenue minister Eknath Khadse quit the party after his differences with Fadnavis peaked. In an affidavit filed before the Supreme Court on Tuesday, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has said that 6-step scheme has been devised to monitor the well-being of children orphaned due to COVID-19 or those who have lost one parent. According to the affidavit, data on 9,346 affected children have been uploaded on the newly created Bal Swaraj portal, which includes data on 1,742 children who lost both the parents, 7,464 now in a single-parent household, 140 have been abandoned from March 2020 to May 29, 2021.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel, HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.